In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion daily log in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Notion or just looking to organize your daily tasks more efficiently, this guide will streamline the process for you. So, let's get started without further ado. First things first, head over to your connected Notion workspace. This is the place where you manage your wiki, documents, and various projects. If you haven't logged in yet, click on the Login button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the Notion homepage. Enter your credentials if prompted, and this will take you to your Notion home, a space you're likely familiar with if you've been using Notion for a while. Once you're in your Notion home, the next step is to access the Marketplace. You can find this option in the sidebar or by navigating through the menu, depending on your workspace setup. The Marketplace is where you'll explore all sorts of templates and add-ons that can enhance your Notion experience. Now, let's focus on finding a daily log template. In the Marketplace search bar, simply type Daily Log. It's a specific search term that's going to fetch a variety of templates catered to tracking your day-to-day activities. Scrolling through these options might feel a bit overwhelming given the number of templates available. So keep an eye out for ones that suit your style and daily needs. Once you've found a template that you think would work for you, go ahead and select it. You'll typically see a preview or a description of what's included in the template. This can be really helpful to ensure the template has all the features you're looking for, like sections for task lists, notes, or time tracking. Upon selecting the template, integrate it into your workspace by following any on-screen prompts. This might involve clicking an Install or Use this template button, making it instantly part of your Notion setup. Once it's integrated, feel free to customize it. Adjust sections to your preference. Add titles or categories that align with your projects, or even color code different parts of the log for better clarity. The flexibility to tailor these templates makes Notion such a powerful tool for personal and professional organization. With your daily log now in place, the only thing left to do is start using it. Make it part of your morning or evening routine to fill it out. And gradually, you'll notice how it aids in prioritizing tasks and managing time more efficiently. Remember, consistency is key to maximizing the benefits of your daily log. And that's all there is to creating a Notion daily log. By maintaining it daily, you can enhance your productivity and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!